Practice the latest 400.007 CCDE written exam dump for your preparation. 1. The SD-WAN architecture is composed of separate orchestration management, control, and data planes. Which activity happens at the orchestration plane? A. Automatic onboarding of the SD-WAN routers into the SD-WAN overlay. B. Decision-making process on where traffic flows. C. Packet forwarding. D. Central configuration and monitoring. Answer: D. 2. Which two statements describe the functionality of OSPF packet pacing timers? Choose 2. The group pacing timer controls the interval that is used for group and individual LSA refreshment. OSPF flood pacing timers allow dynamic control of the OSPF transmission queue size. OSPF retransmission pacing timers allow control of interpacket spang between consecutive link state update packets in the OSPF retransmission queue. C. OSPF retransmission pacing timers allow control of packet interleaving between non-consecutive link state update packets in the OSPF retransmission queue. OSPF flood pacing timers allow control of interpacket spacing between consecutive link state update packets in the OSPF transmission queue. Answer: B, D. 3. A business wants to centralize services via VDI technology and to replace remote WAN desktop PCs with thin client-type machines to reduce operating costs. Which consideration supports the new business requirement? A. VDI servers should be contained centrally within a DMZ. B. The thin client traffic should be placed in a WAN COS priority queue. CVDI servers should be contained within dedicated VLANs in each branch location. D. The WAN should offer low latency and be resized. Answer: D. 4. Which two impacts of adding the IP event dampening feature to a network design are true? Choose 2. A. It protects against routing loops. B. It switches traffic immediately after a link failure. C.LT speeds up link failure detection. D. It reduces the utilization of system processing resources. E. It improves overall network stability. Answer: D, E. 5. The SD-WAN architecture is composed of separate orchestration management, control, and data planes. Which activity happens at the orchestration plane? A. Automatic onboarding of the SD-WAN routers into the SD-WAN overlay. B. Decision-making process on where traffic flows. C. Packet forwarding. D. Central configuration and monitoring. Answer: D. 6. Which two advantages of using DWDM over traditional optical networks are true? Choose 2. A. Inherent topology flexibility and service protection provided without penalty through intelligent oversubscription of bandwidth reservation. B. Ability to expand bandwidth over existing optical infrastructure. C. Inherent topology flexibility with built-in service protection. D. Inherent topology flexibility with intelligent chromatic dispersion. E. Inherent topology flexibility with a service protection provided through a direct integration with an upper layer protocol. Answer: B, C. 7. Which two conditions must be met for EIGRP to maintain an alternate loop-free path to a remote network? Choose 2. A. The reported distance from a successor is lower than the local feasible distance. B. The reported distance from a successor is higher than the local feasible distance. C. The feasibility condition does not need to be met. D. The feasible distance from a successor is lower than the local reported distance. E. A feasible successor must be present. Answer: A, E. 8. Which two features are advantages of SD-WAN compared to MPLS-based connectivity? Choose 2. A. Uses FEC constructs for traffic forwarding, thereby improving efficiency. B. Separates infrastructure and policy. C. Uses policy-based forwarding of real-time traffic with less complexity. D. Unifies the WAN backbone. E. Manages failures through backup links. Answer: C, D. 9. Which two statements describe the hierarchical LAN design model? Choose 2. A. It is a well-understood architecture that provides scalability. B. It is the best design for modern data centers. C. It is the most optimal design but is highly complex. D. It provides a simplified design. E. Changes, upgrades, and new services can be introduced in a controlled and staged manner. Answer: A, E. 10. Which 2 points must network designers consider when designing a new network design or when evaluating an existing network design to help them understand the high-level design direction with regards to the security aspects? Choose 2. A. Consider business objectives and goals. B. Consider organization security policy standards. C. Consider for only multi-site networks. D. Consider for only new network technologies and components. Answer: A, B.